Welcome back to episode 4 of the Anterior Pelvic Toe Rehab series. Here's the saying: anterior pelvic toe can cause a big problem, and that is overactivation and stiffness of the back muscle. Today I'm going to show you 3 strategies to instantly relax your back muscle, and most importantly, get rid of your lower back pain. Welcome back, I'm Fred, advancing health education so that all people can live a functional and quality life. Before we get into the strategies, first, we need to understand the relationship between anterior pelvic tilt and back stiffness. Anterior pelvic tilt is commonly caused by overactivation of the hip flexors and weakness of the gluteus and abdominal muscle. When your pelvis is in this excessive anterior pelvic tilt, it can actually put your back muscle into the shortened state. If you don't do any exercise or rehab, over time, your back muscle can become stiff and overactivated. This is actually a major concern, as a shortened and overactivated back muscle can lead to this sustained compressive force acting on the spine. And over time, people can develop lower back pain. Now that we have explained the relationship between anterior pelvic tilt, back stiffness, and lower back pain, now I'm going to show you 3 strategies to help relax your back muscle, and most importantly, reduce this compressive force acting on your back. The first strategy will help you self-massage your back muscle. You can position a tennis or lacrosse ball over the muscle belly of your back muscle. It's really important that you do not place a ball directly over the spine. Now lean against the wall and posterior your pelvis by contracting your abdominal muscle. This will help you add a bit more pressure. If you want to cover more areas, you can simply bend your knee, then come all the way back. The next strategy will be a static stretch. You're going to sit onto your heel, keep your arms straight, then move your body towards the ground. What you should feel is a sense of stretch over your back muscle. The next strategy will be a dynamic stretch. You're going to posterior tilt your pelvis by rounding your back, then let it drop. So there you have it, 3 strategies to instantly relax your back muscle. If you follow today's program, you will find significant improvement in your back stiffness and lower back pain. If you want to learn more about lower back rehab and ways to improve your overall health, then make sure to smash the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. We will see you next time.